Hi everybody, Crafting Journey here. Guys, craft with me Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central. This is just a little trailer for that. I'm going to be crocheting a hat. I'm going to begin a very simple crochet hat. This is the hat. I've made it twice. Once out of using Ferris wheel yarn, a mocha java color, and the other using just this plain dark blue yarn, royal blue. It's a beautiful stitch. All you have to know is how to double crochet, and if you don't, I'll teach you. So if you want to crochet along with me, you're going to need one skein of yarn. I'm going to be using this green Ferris wheel yarn. It's called Evergreen. Yep, Ferris wheel yarn. You don't need more than a skein. This has 270 yards, and there will be plenty left over for afterwards. You need a pair of scissors, of course, and a number 5 crochet hook. 5.5 if you like to go up a size. I like to go up a size to make it fit my big old head. Yep. We'll start that Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central, and I will walk you through how to make this super simple hat, because it's August. Forget the heat. Winter is coming. Yes, it will be on its way. We need to be prepared. We're going to do a hat. See you guys Wednesday. The link is down in the description to that video on Wednesday to my live. Yeah, it's going to be live. So come join me in the chat and we'll all talk our way through it. See y'all later. Bye.